Try as I may, it doesn't last. And will we ever end up together? No, I think not. It's never to become, for I am not the one. It's Cosplay Makeup Monday, and today we're doing a classic. You guessed it, The Nightmare Before Christmas. We're turning ourselves into everyone's favorite leading lady, Sally. Welcome back, colorful babes, and hi new friends. I'm really excited to do today's look, but before we get started, make sure that you like and you comment and that you subscribe so that you never miss another Cosplay Makeup Monday. Let's start with our base. I'm going to be taking the blues in my Arteza palette. I have this blue, which is kind of a light blue. I have a medium blue, which kind of gives her the green skin tone. And then I have an actual light blue. So first I'm going to go in with the medium blue, and I'm going to put this all over my face. Alright, now that the rough of our face is done, I'm going to take this dark blue and I'm going to kind of do some shading. So we're going to add dark blue up by our forehead. Okay, and then we're going to go in with this light blue and we're going to blend that all out. We're going to go in with a little bit of our Mayron white, and we're going to conceal our eyes. Awesome. Now we need to draw on our eyebrows. Going into my cosplay palette, and I'm going to take this light pink red right there. Then go in with the true red right here to do the back part of our brows. Oh my Atlanta! Okay, so now that our eyebrows are done, I did go back in there with green concealer that I used for color correction on my brows, and I did kind of just conceal the the underneath of my eyebrow just to kind of clean them up a little. Next, we are going to do our stitches. First, we're going to take a tiny brush and we're going to take that dark blue that we were using and we're going to kind of map out where we want our stitches to go. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to go on the offset of the blue to do a black. It doesn't matter which side you choose, just understanding the differences between highlights and shadows. So we're going to go in there with black and kind of just like line it so it kind of looks like it's a real stitch coming out of our skin. So Sally has like a blue eye, so we're going to use my Sugary Cosmetics Lollipop palette and we're going to go in with that dark blue, we're going to use that light blue for our lid, and then we're going to use a medium blue from my cosplay palette to like do a mid-tone. So the first thing we're going to go in is with the medium blue. Now we're going to go in with that dark blue and add some definition. We're going to take our brush and we're going to take that green concealer that we concealed our eyes with and we're going to go put it on our lid. You should be left with something like this. So we're going to go in and grab our mid-tone blue again and put it in near the outer corner of our lid, but not on the outer corner since we have the dark blue there. Finally, we're going to take that light blue and then we're going to put that on our near our inner corner, but on the rest of our lid space. And then I'm going to put a little bit of glitter on top of it because you know your girl can't live her life without glitter. Now we're going to take a tiny paintbrush and we're going to just put white underneath our eye. Now that we have both of our under eyes done, we're going to go in with a small brush and we're going to put that blue underneath it. Next up is eyeliner. Draw a thin line underneath our eye. So since I suck at doing this with the liquid liner, we're going to do it with a gel liner instead, and we're just going to draw little lashes. So now that our lashes are done, I am going to do my lips next. The red I'm using to start out with is a red that came in my Ipsy box called Red Sea by Colored Rain Cosmetics. I love their liquid lipsticks. What is your favorite song in the Nightmare Before Christmas movie? My favorite song is Kidnap Mr. Santa Claus, which I know is a lot of people's favorites, but I'm actually curious to know what your favorite song in the movie is. Alright, now that our lips are done, I'm going to go put on my top lashes and I'll be right back and we'll do the body. So I believe this side is yellow and this side is purple. Going into my yellow face paint. This yellow is not super opaque. I wish I had my Mayron yellow, but I have no idea where it is because that yellow is super opaque. Now since our brush is already yellow, we're going to do the gold sleeve over here. Like I said, it doesn't have to be perfect. This is just for fun. So we're going to go in and do the purple sleeve now. Finally, we're going to do her green sleeve. Now, if you want it to be darker, you can go in with eyeshadow. So that's what I'm going to do right now. Alright, so now that we've darkened those colors up a little bit, we're going to go into cream-based black paint. You use water-based. It's going to suck what you did, so use cream base. And we're going to draw the stitches on her clothing. Alright, let's draw on the designs. The gold sleeve has lines going down it that are very thin, so we're just going to draw some thin lines. Yeah, there's swirls on the purple, so we're just going to make some swirls. Now it's time to do our wig. Well, we are starting 12 days of Vlogmas off at a good start. Tomorrow for Vlogmas, we will be going to see the twinkly little Christmas lights. And that should be a really fun Christmas adventure. Make sure that you like, subscribe, and comment what your favorite song from the movie is because I actually really want to know. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you guys tomorrow. Bye!